So it's the start of a new school year, and I'm a teacher on Fusion, and I've come into my classes, and I realise that my new classes are here. And I also realise in horror that my old class, with all my resources in there, is not there. So the first thing I'm going to say is, don't worry, it's not a problem. Last year's class has not been deleted, it's simply been archived. So here's my new class, and if I click into it, you'll see that there are no files and folders in here. So what I can do is I can go here to this button and go and view the archived classes. I can find my class and click to join the archived group. If I now go back and view my classes and scroll down the page, you can see I now have my archived class at the bottom of the page. To retrieve my old files and folders, I go in here, select all files and folders, and move files, and click to browse. I then go back to my classes, into my new class, and there's an option to move files here. So the files and folders are all now safely in my new class. If I now go back to classes, I can go into the menu of my archived class and just click to leave the group. And if I scroll down, you can see it's no longer there. So that's how to retrieve the resources from your old archived classes on Fusion from last year.